Number 4 asks, which one of the following can't go fourth? Go back to my main diagram. It would be really sweet if the answer for number 4 was either L or M, because we've known that since the very beginning. The answer is for number 4, F, G, H, P. So no L, no M. That's too bad. Okay, I'm going to have to test the answers. Could F go fourth? Let me look at it. If F went fourth, one flaw that I sometimes have is that I try to do a little bit too much in my head. I think I'm going to outsmart the test and I'm going to shortcut it by just doing it in my head. Here, for a question like this, it's probably better, even if I have to test out all 5 answer choices, it's only going to take me a second to do that. So I'll just try it. Could F go in the 4th spot? If F goes in the 4th spot, then I know that M, which can't go in the last 4 spots, M now has to go somewhere up front. H and S, H before S, have to go somewhere down there. I'm left with GP. Now, these 3 spots down here, that wouldn't be room for GP. So I guess GP would be forced up here. The only remaining variable, L, likes to go at the end, and that really looks like it's going to work to me. So I'm going to go on to the next answer, looking for one that looks like it cannot possibly go fourth. B says, could G go fourth? If G went fourth, then I would be looking at GP because of this rule. If that happened, remember L can't go anywhere in the beginning, so now L has to take up one of those 2 spots at the end. F before H before S, I think you could probably throw them all in right here. Oh no, you couldn't because of M. So I think something like this, if you put S down there because S likes to go later, and then in these 3 spots, if you put M with F before H, I think that would work. Looks like the answer is not B for number 4. How about H? Could H go fourth? Remember, H hates to go 5th, H hates to go 1st, H hates to go last. I'll be kind of surprised if this turns out to not work. F before H before S, so now F has to go in the front somewhere. S has to go somewhere in the end somewhere, and actually now I think I see that this is a pretty clever answer. I think this is the correct answer because L can't go anywhere in the first 4, which means L now has to go down here, and M can't go anywhere in the last 4, which means M has to go somewhere up here, and if that's true, then where did GP go? So this, as it turns out, does not work. GP have to touch each other. They wouldn't be able to work here, they wouldn't be able to work here. This doesn't work. I'm going to cross it out because it doesn't work. I'm going to add that to my diagram because that never works. But that's the answer for number 4, C. H can't go fourth.